We're gonna go to work. How to upload a video to YouTube. The first thing that we do is we come up to the top right corner here and we're gonna click on 8. Go. There, what you're gonna want to do is select the files from your computer. This is gonna be native computer. The one we did last night on what is BizRise.io, our web app. Quick description. What is BizRise demo? Okay, we're gonna give it a thumbnail. When you're doing thumbnails, YouTube wants them 1280 by 720. A lot of times when I tell people double this size so it can press down and look a little sharper. Don't mess with YouTube's descriptions and what they want. Do it 1280, 720. They're gonna run the world anyway. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna select our playlist. That would be routes, but what is business? So let's just go AI. 5-day AI training ground. Okay, so we selected our playlist. Now we're gonna go, no, it's not made for kids. It doesn't mean it has to be over 18. Right? Go ahead and alter the content. Chapter's good. Let's go. Rise.io. Okay. Language. Place. Hola. Television. Recording date. Did that yesterday. Castle Rock, Colorado, baby. Edit it. How to file. Okay, let's go next. Subtitles. Sure. Fireman there. Do them. Get them from Streamlabs podcast. Okay. Go next. Let's upload it. So we're public there. Don't have to schedule it. Rock and roll right now. So we will just go. Public. Okay. Go. We're gonna click publish. YouTube. Okay.